was always interested in the intersection between international finance, banking, the law, and international relations. And as I had studied international relations as an undergraduate, I was looking for a place where I could blend all of those in a way that would be suitable to my interest in an interdisciplinary way. And Fletcher allowed me to do that. The Fletcher School is ahead of its time. The focus of our world today is very international, but Fletcher has been preparing international students, international diplomats, international bankers, international, you name it, for many years. Fletcher was a fantastic preparation for my current job. The negotiation skills that I learned here, working with different people from different backgrounds on complex international issues, is something that I learned at Fletcher, and it has been essential in my role. I came as a relatively young student. I had graduated 2 years prior. And so when I came here, I was really looking for a way to learn that wasn't based on theory. I wanted a place where I would be able to interact with not only students and teachers who talked about international relations, but who actually practiced it. When I came to Fletcher, that's exactly what I found.